Hi, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Jason.
During the months of May and June, we uploaded a lot of great content to our YouTube channel.
From water safety, to the Mayor's State of the City address, to the library show, it's all right here on PHXTV Rehash. Welcome to PHXTV Rehash, the show where we talk about current programming airing on Phoenix TV and our YouTube channel.
And now, on to the show. During the months of May and June, the City of Phoenix aired 15 Phoenix City Council meetings. Topics for these meetings included economic development, water, the budget, and more.
Phoenix TV covered the inauguration ceremony for Council Districts 5 and 8. And we also covered Mayor Kate Gallego's State of the City address. Did you know that the Burton Bar Library has an Arizona Classic postcard collection? Well, you will want to check it out on our latest episode of the Library Show. In Phoenix, we love our pets and love to spoil them. On the latest episode of Phoenix Pets, find out more about the booming pet businesses in Phoenix and their impact on our economy.
Vice Mayor Jim Waring interviewed Councilwoman Thelda Williams at our very own Phoenix TV studios about the many years on the council. Councilwoman Laura Pastor hosted her on-location show with information on summer youth programs, the grand opening of Encanto's Tavern, and Hunkapi Farms. Councilman Michael Nowakowski took us on a tour of the 5th annual Star Spangled Celebration in Maryvale, and Councilwoman Thelda Williams introduced us to some amazing Phoenix dogs.
For a look inside Phoenix, we took you on a really cool in your zip tour of American Family Fields, and the force was with us when we took a behind-the-scenes look at Phoenix Fan Fest held at the Phoenix Convention Center. We also covered news conferences in Phoenix, which included a dedication of the Rotary Fellowship Space for Phoenix Starfish Place Transitioning Housing, a grocery access program sponsored by Lyft and the United Way, a new Hero Lane banner honoring Officer Paul Rutherford, and finally, the city opens its doors to heat relief network locations.
Summer's here, and the city wants to help keep you safe. Be sure to watch our summer safety campaign messages about pool safety and monsoon preparedness. Hey cord cutters, did you know there's many ways you can watch us besides Cox Channel 11 and CenturyLink 8005? You can download your YouTube app to your phone, your TV, your PlayStation, your Xbox, your Roku, and many more.
So be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And this was your Phoenix TV Rehash. Thank you for watching. Summer is here, so remember, always watch children around water.
Así es, amigos, recuerden, siempre cuiden a los niños cerca del agua.